Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make slip stitches. So I've changed the color here so I can show you how to make a slip stitch. So you can see the color change. You can do this is different from the slip knot that you do. This is a slip knot, and the one I'm going to show you today is slip stitch. So if you have a yarn on your loop on your hook, just go to the next stitch here. This is the first stitch. You shouldn't do the slip stitch here. Go to the second stitch here and insert your hook, yarn over, and you should yarn over and pull through this stitch and the one on the loop together. So yarn over that stitch and the next stitch together. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch and the stitch and the loop on the hook together. That is slip stitch. So insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch and the loop. So can you see the difference? It's on top of the treble stitches. Insert your hook into the next stitch and the loop. So the slip stitches are on one side of the row. You can see on the other side there's this color, the mustard color. It will give you a beautiful border if you would like. You still have one more stitch to go. See, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This first one, the chain, it's in this color because I've changed the color. So that's just one chain. So if you count that, it will be 12. And the last stitch here, I made a treble, so I have made chain 3 here. On the third chain I will be inserting my hook and then yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. So that's my slip stitch. And you can cut the yarn and tighten it. That's it for today. Thank you.